Okay, here we are. Starting out, this whole video is to try and show you how to get started on this whole project. What does your pie look like? It's Pi Day, great. So we're going to make a little color design representing pi. First thing you're going to do is you're going to need 10 different colors, and you're going to fill out one color for each digit. I kind of did that ahead of time to speed things up. The next thing you do is you need to decide on a pattern you're going to use, because you're going to use these colors for these digits exactly to fill out the other side. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the corner, and what I've done, I'm deciding this ahead of time. What's my pattern going to look like that I'm going to attempt to do? I'm going to start in the corner, and then I'm going to color 3 digits in a row. Then I'm going to turn around and color the next 3 digits back the other direction. So it's going to kind of go in a back-forth pattern. Note the first digit in your pattern with a heavy bold outline. And the idea is that you cover the whole page. So when you get to an edge, you're going to have to turn around and come back, depending on how you come up with your design. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the corner, and I'm going to note my first circle with, so you can kind of tell it separate from everybody else. And since pi begins, and conveniently, here's pi laid out for you, at least the first few hundred digits. First digit's 3. My 3 is kind of this apricot color. And if you'll notice, I've got all my colors, I kind of kept them in digit order right over here. So I'm going to grab my 3, which is this apricot looking thing, or is that right? It's kind of this, yeah, there's 3. Keep things in order. And I'm going to do 3 in a row there, and I'm going to come back and forth and just go like this, back and forth. All right, so next up, 3 decimal, and then as I go, I'm going to cross off each digit. Strong suggestion here, as you go along, I did the 3, cross it off, so keep track of which digit I'm on. Next up is a 1. For me, 1 is a yellow. So I'm going to do, there's my 3, 1. Wait, cross off my 1. Next is 4. And for me, 4 is kind of this rosy color, this pinky color. Oh dear, did I lose it already? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So here's 3 in a row. So now I'm going to change directions. And I need another 1 again. 1 is my yellow. So I'll come back the other way. So nope, I did the other 1. Next is a 5. And 5 is kind of this brownish looking color. Next, so there's 5 done. Next is 9. 9 is a purple. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue. I'm going to go and go and go across the page here. When I get to an edge, 2 is my green. 2 is green. And there's 2. Next, 6 is my sort of apricot, this kind of this color. It's not as colorful as that. I'll go a little bit further. There's 6. Next comes 5. 5 is kind of this brown. There's 5 and 3 again. 3 is this. And I'm just going to go across the page. Those 2 are pretty close. Wasn't the greatest choice of colors, I think. And I'll just compete when I get to the end here. If I kind of get stuck going up that way, I may just come back around and turn this way, or I can imagine coming down here and going back and forth. Plus I'll go back and forth across the whole page. I think that's enough video to get you started. Do as much as you can in the period here, and things will be scored up to 5 points for neatness and up to 10 points for accurately keeping your pattern going. But no need to mark the lines because we want to go back and see if we can find how a person did their pattern. You have a good Pi day.